I've been playing boccia since at least 5. I really enjoy playing the sport as it's something I've been doing since I started primary school. You play boccia by trying to aim at the jack, which is the white ball, in which you try and get your ball the closest to. You have 6 balls in 2 sets, red and blue. What I've learned has impacted them to be able to learn, and I think that's what I enjoyed a lot. It's not always about winning. It does feel good when you win. I'm not going to deny that. It's more about the way you play and the tactics you use. It's not always about getting the closest to the ball. It's about thinking and using your mind to play this.